Are you tired of spending all day on your phone but not making any money? Do you want to learn how to put up that device off to use and simply earn more than $1,100 every 2 days by just visiting a single website? Then here is the video for you. I'm here to bring you to a single site that has been steadily increasing in popularity for you to take advantage of. No, you don't have to worry about where you are because this works anywhere on the planet. Also, for your convenience, this has nothing to do with affiliate marketing, selling goods, or promoting any product. With that said, I'd like you to stick around until the end of the video so I can show you how to make this easy money online. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything and how you can earn quick money online. Now, just before we get started, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. With everything out of the way, let's go right into the video so I can show you everything. Okay, before I show you the site, I'll show you where you will get paid. To begin, go to paypal.com and create a PayPal account. PayPal, by the way, is available in a wide range of countries, so it won't be an issue no matter where you're coming from. In any case, to make an account, go to the upper right corner of the page and click the Sign Up button. Select Personal Account on the next screen. Then click Continue. You'll then be prompted to provide personal information such as first and last names, email address, phone number, and address. You'll be able to get paid quickly once you've set up your PayPal account. After I've shown you the platform where you'll receive money, it's time to go on the second platform, which will serve as a tool to assist you in making money on the single platform, which I'll be showing you later. Now, of course, Google is that instrument. With that said, we will utilize a simple Google technique. Now, you want to go to Google and search for terms like landscape, nature, photography, and so forth. So you're only looking for great-looking photos. And here's the thing, you'd like them to be sorted into several categories. As a result, you want photographs that aren't all related. Later on, I'll explain why. In any instance, I use landscape as an example in my search. Now, before you download a photo, make sure you follow these steps to avoid copyright issues. This is done by selecting Tools right here. After that, you see Usage Rights over here, which you can click on. Finally, select Creative Commons Licenses. Only a few people are aware of this, and it effectively grants you permission to freely utilize any of these images. You would be brought down for copyright infringement if you downloaded these images from before and put them on websites. However, you can now utilize any of these in any way you wish. Then all you have to do is choose a nice looking photo and try to pick the best one out of them all. Then right-click on it and select Save Images As to save it to your computer or phone. After that, you want to look for something different. Take, for example, nature. And consider how stunning these images are. Once again, find one you like. Right-click it and then select Save Images As. Repeat this process for all of the images in whichever category you choose until you have roughly 10 or so on in various categories. Finally, now that you know how to avoid copyright difficulties, we'll apply everything you've learned to the one platform that will make you a fortune. Oh, and by the way, this will be the first time we tackle this site on Online Money Plug, so sit back, relax, and stay tuned. Now, just before we go any further, if you're interested in the video so far, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a comment down below for me to review. Now, let's get back to hustling. Now, the platform that we will discuss in detail and for which we will be compensated is called Clickasnap.com. When you first arrive here, you'll notice it pays to share, sign up, and get paid for your content. As we previously discussed, your content will be those very same photos you found on Google for absolutely free, without having to take them yourself. This is how it works. You upload an image to this website, and every time someone looks at it, they will notice several advertisements on the sides. Now the website splits the ad revenue with the person who uploaded the photo, which is you in this situation. I'm guessing that most of you who are watching this don't have a camera. If you do though, taking the images yourself is a much better option. This will give you photographs more uniqueness and you'll be doing something you enjoy in the end. To give you a little background on the website, this platform has been around for a long time and wasn't really popular not long ago. However, it has suddenly exploded in popularity and now receives millions of daily visits. It will pay you 40 cents as you can see, yet it used to be only 15. Even though 40 cents may appear to be a very small sum of money, believe me when I say it's not. Consider this. If 100 people look at your photo, you've already generated $40 in passive revenue. Keep in mind that this site has millions of visitors every day, so you're extremely likely to get some decent views. Furthermore, now is an excellent moment to join this website and take advantage of the fact that it has grown in popularity and is now paying more for your pictures. In any case, you may find more details about the payment on this website. The minimum payment is listed as $15, which isn't the lowest, but it's also not bad. Now, before we go into the details of that website, there's something I'd want to show you. It concerns the website statistics. Go to similarweb.com and look at ClickASnap's numbers to discover so much about them. We can now see its statistics by typing ClickASnap into the search field. Examine this. ClickASnap received 2.7 million visits in the previous month. You can also see how much the site has expanded in the last year on this graph. ClickASnap has 350,000 visitors in December of 2020. This figure increased up to 1.3 million in January 2021. It climbed to 2.7 million in February, and we're currently at 2.75 million. As I previously stated, this company has grown drastically, making now the ideal timing to begin using it to earn money. And consider this. This site has 2.75 million monthly hits, and if only 0.1% of those visitors view your photos for a whole month, that's still 2,750 views, which essentially means you'd earned $1,100 in passive income. But keep in mind that this is only 0.1% of the total number of people who visit ClickASnap.com, and it's nowhere near 1%. So basically, all you have to do is submit the pictures and that's it. As you can see, even if you only make 0.1% on this website, you may still make thousands of dollars. And I can virtually guarantee that more than 1% of people will look at your images, implying that you can easily earn more than $10,000 each month. Anyway, let's go back to the beginning of ClickASnap.com. To get paid, simply click on Get Started right here. From there, you may sign up faster by using Facebook, Google, or Twitter. You can also join up by email. Your email address, username, and password will all be entered. Then check this box to agree to their conditions, and then click Create an Account. With this site, there is a slight catch that I would explain. If you want people to see your images, it isn't entirely free. But have a look at this. All you have to do to get paid for views is spend £2 on this site, which is slightly under $3 for a month. However, once you've done so, you'll be able to make thousands of dollars, which will be a fantastic return on your investment on this site. After using this, I can promise you that investing such a tiny amount of money in this site will be worth it. Once you've done that, you can simply utilize Google to submit 10 photographs per day. And once you've accumulated a few dozen pictures, you'll be able to generate thousands of dollars in passive earnings. Given the fact that new people are discovering this site every day, some of your older photographs will receive thousands of views every month once they've been submitted. And that is how basic it is to make a lot of quick and simple money online today. You won't believe it, but that's all it takes to make simple money online. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you made it this far. For more content like this, go on and check out my latest videos. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to know whenever a new video is posted. Leave a comment down below if this one worked perfectly for you. Once again, this is Online Money Plug, teaching you the best and easiest methods in making money online.